Due to the pandemic, the situation around the world is not normal anymore. Therefore, this time, the celebration for the All Souls Day is observed with strict adherence to COVID-19 protocols on the 5th November 2020. The Salesians Confreres of St. Paul II, Shillong Province, together with Father Paul Olinkot SDB, Provincial, gathered around the graves of the deceased Salesians in the Salesian Cemetery, which is located within the Lightmcrack Catholic Cemetery, for a holy mass which is offered by Father Paul Olinkot along with Father Cyril Turkey and Father Anthony Karkongor, concelebrated by about 20 other Salesian priests, with very few faithful, which includes the novices and friends of the deceased Salesians Confreres. As practiced by the Salesian tradition, every year the Confreres would come to visit the cemetery to pray for those gone ahead. This year, the ceremony started at 3 p.m. with the recitation of the Holy Rosary, followed by the Holy Mass. Father Provincial welcomed the gathering and thanked all those who made it a point to be there celebrating the Holy Mass. He thanked the communities of Don Bosco Technical School for the arrangement of the place and for the tea respectively. He also thanked the brothers from STC for their prayers. In his homily, Father Provincial gave an example of people wait for the Master and say yes to him. These people are the happiest because they serve the Lord with joy and responsibility, and because the Lord is with them, we know we have served Him well, and we have to prepare ourselves to meet Him anytime. After the Holy Mass, Father Provincial blessed the graves of the deceased with the holy water.
If the master of the house had known at what time the thief would come, he would not have let him break into his house. You also must be ready, for the Son of Man will come at an hour you do not expect.
The Lord has invited us, called us to be with Him, to work for Him, to do His will. And when we do that meaningfully, and when we do it with joy and happiness, in any responsibility that we hold, in any activity that we do, I think when we really do it with joy and happiness, then at the end of the day, or a day when we too have to come here, and we'll say, really, I have fought a fight, just like Paul tells us, I have fought a fight, a wonder race. And we say, yes, Lord, thank you. Now I want to be with you forever. I want to be